Hi everybody, thanks for watching my videos and supporting the channel. This is our project 2003 Chevy Silverado Extended Cab 4.8. We're going to have a whole series of maintenance and common issues to repair on this truck. So please subscribe and follow along. The first project we're going to tackle is the busted tailgate latch. Now you see a whole bunch of these trucks on the road with the tailgates missing, or the latches missing, or they're broken, and it's a really simple fix and it's very inexpensive, so there's no reason to drive around with this in this condition. We're going to change it out now. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is rotate these little clips down 90 degrees. Don't disconnect the rods yet because you still need to get the tailgate open. So then pull on what's left of your handles. And now that it's unlatched, you can disconnect the rods from the old handle assembly and go ahead and just lower your tailgate down. Now we're going to use a Phillips head. Take the inside of this bed liner off. You got two 13 mil bolts here, and there'll be one more underneath. If you don't have a bed liner, obviously this will be a little bit easier. All right. Last bolts. Alright, so now you just have to fish this out carefully. There's the old assembly. Every one of these breaks over time, so no big deal. Okay, here's your new assembly. It's $13 on Amazon. Kind of goes in like this. I'm going to hold it up and start one of the bolts. Actually, I'll just go ahead and do the bottom bolt. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and lower it down, tighten the other two bolts, put the bed liner back on. Always hand tighten them a couple of turns first so you don't cross thread anything. We put the screws back in our bed liner. Okay. All right, now with this closed, we just take their rods and reconnect them. Into their spots, reconnect the clip. So that's what it looks like when it's complete. Okay, I've gotten a little bit of acetone, some brush cleaner, paint thinner. Windex will probably work just fine if you're a big fat Greek wedding fan. Basically, you're just trying to give it a good clean surface to stick to. Okay. It's got pegs that go in on the bottom and clips on the top to go along with your adhesive. And that's it, guys. On a scale of 1 to 10 of difficulty, this is probably a 1. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.